guys know that I don't have a gym membership? Why? Because I have a free gym at the Asian store, at any grocery store. I just pick up my rice and I do squats, I do lunges, all of it. Free weights.
Shoulder press. That rice is pretty good, isn't it? You've had that rice before?
Yes. This is 5 kilos.
Rice power.
I don't know what I was doing.
One-legged squat, pistol squats. Damn. Jeez.